Welcome back everyone. So for today's video, I'm sharing a simple, delicious breakfast cookie recipe. So these are all the ingredients. You will need some oats to make the oats flour, agave nectar to sweeten, and natural peanut butter. Now this peanut butter is unsweetened, and although it says crunchy, you can always use the smooth peanut butter. Now this peanut butter just have two ingredients, peanuts and salt. You will also need some ground cinnamon, salt, vanilla extract, and some chocolate chips. So the first step is to make the oats flour, so go ahead and add the oats to your food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you can always use a blender. Once you're done making the oats flour, go ahead and combine the wet ingredients. Once you're done combining the wet ingredients, go ahead and add the oats flour and the cinnamon. To make things a bit easier, go ahead and use your hand to fold in the chocolate chips. So once you're done, your dough should look something like this. You can do one of two things. You can make energy balls and eat these right away, but what I'm going to do is to flatten these out a bit and bake them for about 10 to 12 minutes because I want the chocolate chip to melt and I also want it to be a bit crunchy. So as I mentioned, I'm going to flatten these out a bit and bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. I want to create like a design, so I'm using a fork to press the center. So once you're done, just place these in your oven and bake for about 12 minutes. So 12 minutes later, the cookies are all done and ready for eat, and these came out amazing. They smell and taste so good. So the only thing this need is some milk, and right here I have some almond milk, the perfect combination. So there you have it, lovely people. This was simple yet so good. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay safe and God bless.